silver veil. Its tears now wash away all your trail. A fair I never had the chance to cry. Now the rain sings it as it passes by. Your shadow walks in my solitude, an echo that lives where no mercy grew. The sky has cried what I held inside, and every drop still screams your name with pride. April rain, carry all my pain. Cross the rivers and speak my name to the other world where the sunlight glows. Let her know I still hear her voice. The wet streets shine with your fading trace, a ghost that time never could erase. April